In this mini CPD, I'm going to show you how to achieve structured and accessible PowerPoint slides in minutes. Quick question. How many of us have copied slides from different modules or colleagues and ended up with inconsistent fonts, colors, and layouts all over the place? Probably most of us. It doesn't just affect how slides look, it can make them really hard to follow and less accessible for the students. I'll show you 4 ways to fix that without rebuilding everything from scratch. Here is a typical example. Content is copied from different sources using different text boxes and shapes rather than proper slide layouts. Because of this, themes don't apply consistently and the accessibility structure is often lost. So if I try to apply a theme, it will give me a warning and the theme colors won't apply for the text. First, what we're going to do is we're going to select all of the text, and then holding down the Ctrl and Space button, it removes all the inconsistent formatting and gives you a clean starting point. Now let's add structure back. So if you go into Review, then check Accessibility. I'll click the text box where the header should be and click on Slide Title. This tells screen readers which text is the heading of the slide. Now let's check the reading order. Click on the Selection Pane. This can be found at the top, or alternatively you could press Ctrl and F10. The Selection Pane shows every object on the slide, including anything hidden or layered. In this case, I'm going to bring the header to the top. I will also check the order of the rest of the elements on the slide. Screen readers read content in the order that it appears here, so this is where you control what the students hear first. And finally, let's run a quick accessibility check. So on the accessibility panel, let's check accessibility. So the accessibility checker flags the most important issues. It won't fix everything automatically, but it surfaces what matters most quickly. So to summarize, we've gone through 4 different methods. Initially, we stripped the formatting. We then defined the slide titles using the accessibility toolbar. And then we checked the reading order with the Selection Pane. And finally, we ran an accessibility checker at the end. For further support, Microsoft has got some really nice articles for accessibility. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned something new.